Welcome back, students. In the last video, we have studied about the format of statement of income or income statement, and also we understood about various leverages like operating, financial, and combined leverage. In this video, let us work out a numerical problem on leverages. It's a very simple problem. As you can see on the screen, the following particulars are available of a company. They have given the sales volume rupees 1 lakh and the variable cost component which is 70,000 rupees and fixed cost component is 20,000. Long-term loans, it can be bank loans or it can be debentures or any form of loan taken by the organization, and whenever there is a loan taken, it is associated with its cost, because the banks will not give us loans free of cost, or even the debenture holders. Always there will be a cost component for raising a capital, that is borrowed capital. So in this case, long-term loan is taken by the organization at 10% interest. That means on this rupees 50,000 rupees, 10% interest has to be paid by this company to the financial institution or bank or whatever the place they have taken the loan from. So in that case, long-term loans 50,000 rupees at 10% means the interest component comes to 50,000 rupees at the rate of 10% into 10 by 100. That means 5,000 rupees should be the interest component. This 5,000 rupees interest per annum should be paid by this company to the bank on this long-term loan. Right. So with all this information, they are asking us to compute the combined leverage. However, we will calculate all the leverages for this sum, like operating leverage, financial leverage, and combined leverage. When you come across a question like this, the first thing you should do is prepare a statement of income. The statement of income will look like this. We are proceeding to work out the income statement. See, this is the income statement, and the income statement format, as we have already understood, it's just a simple process of calculating the net profit earned by the organization by deducting all the variable, fixed and other interest costs. Now, let's begin our income statement with total sales. As we have given 1 lakh rupees in the question, so the total sales amount should be 1 lakh less variable cost. Out of the total sales, we are subtracting the variable cost. As per the question, it is 70,000 rupees. So minus variable cost 70,000 rupees. If you subtract 1 lakh minus 70,000, you are getting 30,000 rupees contribution. Sales minus variable cost is contribution. Then out of the contribution, next step is you are supposed to subtract fixed cost. That is less fixed cost. So the fixed cost as per the question is 20,000 rupees. So less fixed cost 20,000 rupees if you subtract. So 30,000 minus 20,000, you are supposed to get 10,000 rupees. That is EBIT, earnings before interest and tax. Earnings before interest and tax. So it is before interest cost. Now we are supposed to subtract our interest component here next, less interest. Where is this interest? Just now we have seen in the question that the company is having a long-term loan of rupees 50,000 at 10% interest rate. So we just calculated 5,000 rupees. That interest component 5,000 should be subtracted from here. So interest 5,000 subtract. Then you are getting the last item, that is EBT, earnings before tax, 5,000 rupees. 10,000 minus 5,000, so you are getting 5,000. So this is the simplest form of preparing an income statement. Once again, if you see the format, total sales 1 lakh minus variable cost 70,000, the result balance contribution is 30,000. So contribution 30,000 in the fixed cost and matte subtract madadre 20,000, you are getting earnings before interest and tax 10,000. ಅದರಿಂದ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟನ್ನು ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ 5,000, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಅರ್ನಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ 5,000. ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾದಮೇಲೆ ಆನ್ ದ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ we are proceeding to calculate our financial, operating and combined leverages. Now, proceed with the operating leverage. What is the operating leverage? The operating leverage formula is EBIT by EBT. EBIT by EBT. EBIT in this, contribution by EBIT. So, contribution in this case is 30,000. EBIT is 10,000. Therefore, the operating leverage formula is equals to contribution divided by EBIT. I have given the formulas in the last class itself. So, contribution divided by EBIT, that is 30,000 by 10,000. So, 10,000 ones and 30,000 threes. Therefore, your operating leverage should be 3. Actually, we write the leverages in terms of times, 3 times, 2 times, like that. Now, moving on to the second leverage, that is financial leverage. The formula for financial leverage is EBIT divided by EBT. In this case, you have EBIT 10,000 rupees and EBT 5,000 rupees. Therefore, if you divide 5,000, you are getting 2 times. The financial leverage is 2 times. And the last one, combined leverage. Financial leverage formula I have given you, that is EBIT divided by EBT. And the last one, combined leverage, is operating leverage into financial leverage. Just multiply both the leverages, you will get combined leverage, or you can use contribution divided by profit. Combined leverage equals to contribution divided by profit. In this case, it is contribution is 30,000 divided by profit. Profit is nothing but EBT, earnings before tax. So 30,000 by 5,000, 5,000 once, 30,000, that is 6 times. So 6. Or if you do it in this method also, combined leverage equals to operating into financial. So operating is 3, financial is 2. 3 into 2, 6. So in both the methods, you will be getting the same answer. ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಈ ಲಿವರೇಜಸ್ಸನ್ನು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಲಿವರೇಜ್ಗೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ EBIT. ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಲರ್ನ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ 3 ಲೆವರೇಜಸ್. ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ EBT. ಈ ಸಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಈಸ್ 30,000 divided by EBIT 10,000. Therefore, you are getting operating leverage as 3. And financial leverage ಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು EBIT divided by EBT. So, EBIT 10,000 ಇದೆ, EBT 5,000 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ 10,000 by 5,000 ನಿಮಗೆ 2 ಬರಬೇಕು, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫೈನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಲಿವರೇಜ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಂಬೈನ್ಡ್ ಲಿವರೇಜನ್ನು 2 ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಒಂದು ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ EBT. ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ 30,000 ಇದೆ, EBT 5,000 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ 30,000 by 5,000, ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ 6. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮೆಥಡಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಬೈನ್ಡ್ ಲಿವರೇಜ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು financial leverage into operating leverage, or operating leverage into financial leverage. So operating leverage ನಿಮಗೆ 3 ಇದೆ, financial leverage 2 ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ 3 into 2, 6. So it's a very simple problem we have worked out on leverages. We shall work out more problems on leverages in the coming videos.